So I'm moving to Australia and I'm only bringing these 3 bags with me. So I thought I'd make a video on how to pack for 1 whole year in just carry-on bags. So I thought it was going to be a great idea to only bring carry-ons and live out of them for a year. But now after trying to pack them 20 times, I'm kind of a little nervous that it's not going to work out. So I found this on an Instagram ad from the website Cameracoup, I think. This is mostly for people that have camera equipment that they want to take with them. Can also fit a laptop in here, but it's kind of a tight fit, especially because I have a dinosaur. I want to show you what this bag looks like inside. So in this pocket is where I will be putting my camera equipment, like lenses, microphone, my GoPro, and probably my hard drive as well. And this thing can come out too, which I really love. So it has handles on it too. And if you just want to use this as a day pack and not carry your camera equipment with you, you can definitely do that. It's very versatile, which is what I really like about it. Alright, in the top part, these are magnetic, so you don't have to undo the buckles. They're just for looks. And then you have 2 zippers here that are pretty small. You can probably fit some stuff in there. And then you have your laptop case holder here. And then it's not very deep, so it's hard to fit a lot in here when you have the camera pockets in there. And then you can have things in here, I'm not really sure what. And then you also have this right here, which could fit maybe a passport or something. And then you have these straps, and they're super padded, which I love. So this is my Tortuga Setout 35-liter backpack, and this is the best purchase I think I've made probably my whole life. So I chose this backpack because, one, it opens up like a suitcase does, which I'll show you in a second. And also I got the 35-liter because it's almost guaranteed to be able to carry on most planes. The 45-liter is, for the US, almost guaranteed to be able to carry on, but for European and Australia and most Asian airlines, you'd probably have to check it. So I wanted to be safe and not have to stress out about that, so that's why I got the 35-liter. Alright, so the first pocket is this one right here. It's not very deep, but it is still very useful for any of those quick things that you need to get out of your bag. And then you have this pocket right here, which is really deep, like it goes all the way down, and then it has a key holder, and this will probably be where I put my passport. And then this could be an iPad holder, but it's also an iPad holder in the back as well. And for the best part, voila! Alright, so this was the main reason that I got this bag, is because it opens like a suitcase. You have 2 pockets here with mesh on them. And then I can fit 2 packing cubes that are medium size, or maybe 1 medium and 2 smalls if I needed to do that as well. And on the back of the backpack you have your laptop holder right here. And they say, I believe it can fit 15 inches, but my 13 inch is kind of a tight squeeze because it's just the fat MacBook Pro from 2012. And also this is the iPad sleeve here. And another thing I really like about this bag is the hip straps. They have 2 pockets here. And then they have the cinch. The older backpacks don't have this, but you can cinch the straps to you closer. And I also forgot to mention that I got the women's version. So these are adjustable so that your boobies don't get squished. And you can also unhook these here and stuff them into here. So you can hide the straps if you wanted to check it. This is my brand new Monos carry-on suitcase. I got the color Blue Haze and I'm obsessed with this thing. I was going on back and forth for months between the away bag, the base bags, and then I found Monos. Again, another Instagram ad got me. So first of all, it has this Lucky Poo. That's the coolest part of this bag. I'm obsessed with it. So another reason I chose Monos over Away is because the carry-on suitcase from Away was smaller than this one by like point something, but I wanted one that was exactly 22 by 14 by 9, I think are the measurements, and this one is exactly. Another thing I really liked about this bag was that it has silent run wheels, and so it's not going to be super loud when I'm rolling it across the pavement, which I hate because it's like, oh, there's a tourist. And this was my birthday gift for my dad and stepmom, so thank you so much. Alright, so once again, I really love this lock and I really need to figure out how to make it work because I have no idea. Alright, so this is the inside of my beautiful, beautiful Monos suitcase. It has a compression pad with these locks, and you can make it tighter or looser. It also has this cute little thing. I don't really know what to use it for, but I'll figure it out eventually. And it also has this super cute pocket. It's the same depth as the other side, it's just this one closes rather than compression. And another mesh pocket in here. And it also comes with a laundry bag and 2 shoe bags, which I thought was really awesome. And it comes with its very own magic eraser. So that's the video. I'm officially in Australia and officially have an apartment that I'm moving all my crap into. And I couldn't be more, getting my hair, couldn't be more excited. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. My hair. I love this bag. Also, I'm sweating because it's literally 80 degrees in this house. So, make sure there's no people around because I can't do this when there's people. Oh, there's a person. I guess I'll wait a second. Why is this so awkward?